We try for perfection. We have some of the most experienced guys in the industry.
You can't just throw somebody on these pieces of equipment. There's a lot to learn.
I've been doing it for 23 years. My partner's been doing it for 24 years.
We've done a lot of work over the years. We've done a lot of miles of roadway.
I love the fact that we could make a better road for everybody. It's more of an art form. We got a great group of guys who care about our job, and all we want to do is make the job right for our contractors and our customers.
A customer calls, they know what they're going to get. They know who's coming and the quality of work. No hassles, no issues, and we cover it. You know, if there's something that we can't handle, then we make the phone call.